It has been a few weeks since I last shared with you my beehive. It's still very much alive and well, with maybe 1,000,000 bees. And I'm afraid to get close to the beehive. Actually, the doors, the windows remain closed. Actually, if the door open right now, it will touch the hive. But as I said previously, this hive has been cut numerous times, and because bees like to build their hives in areas like this, they keep coming back. So I have formulated a plan. I'm going to build some bee boxes and put them in. Actually, already get my bee suit. So next time I video this, it might be actually removing the hive and putting them into bee boxes and actually, officially raising bees. So it is a very huge hive, very, as you can see there. The last time the door was open, I had to run for cover. Yep, so hope you're getting a good view.